The Middle East has been shaken by the October 7th Hamas attacks in 2023 and Israel's sweeping military response. Out of this turmoil, a new US-backed regional order is emerging, built on three pillars: Israel, Turkey, and the Gulf, especially Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and Qatar. On paper, it appears that Washington is stepping back, preoccupied with East Asia, China, of course, there, and Eastern Europe, and willing to let allies take the lead. This recalls the Nixon doctrine of the Cold War era, when the US leaned on partners in the region to police their neighborhoods. But today's landscape is far more complex. Israel, bold and heavily armed, acts unilaterally to push threats away, whether Hamas, Hezbollah, Syria, or Iran. Turkey combines geographic reach and military clout with a readiness or willingness to cross borders, but its ideology and ties with some of the regional actors often strain relations with Arabs, with Israel, and the West. The Gulf monarchies, on the other hand, prefer to project power through money, media, and diplomacy. They lack military strength and so have come to depend on Israeli deterrence, US backing, and sometimes Turkish initiative, as we have seen in Syria as well. The thing is, rather than establishing a new order, this mix breeds imbalance. Israeli assertiveness can provoke backlash. Turkish ambitions unsettle neighbors. Gulf dependency leaves them exposed. Add unresolved issues such as the Palestinian question, the Kurdish question, and Syria's contested role, and so the cracks in this tri-pillar structure become even more clear. For Washington, the setup is tempting. It means fewer boots on the ground, more responsibility delegated to regional states. Yet it is fragile. Rivalries, divergent priorities, and the absence of a shared vision could easily unravel this emerging order. Syria is, of course, the fulcrum or the linchpin of this emerging regional order. If cooperation endures, the architecture could solidify there in Syria. And if not, Syria could really become the fault line that pulls this order apart. The takeaway is that the US cannot simply walk away. Smart, limited strategic engagement remains essential to preventing chaos and protecting American interests in the region. At the same time, regional actors must craft compromises that extend beyond state-to-state relations to include non-state actors and subnational players such as Kurds, Druze, Palestinians, and others who increasingly contribute to shaping the regional order in their own ways.